how to fix Instagram or restrict certain activity. So all what you wanna do, guys, is very simple. First thing, you have to open your Instagram, go to your profile, click on the edit profile option, and then you have to change your username right here. And then also you have to change the profile picture, and if you have any link in the bio, you have to remove it. Click confirm, go back, click on the top here, click on those three lines, click settings, click on this help option, click on report a problem, click report problem without shaking. Now you have to send a screenshot of the problem that you have on your Instagram, and then briefly explain what's happened or what's not working. Click next, and then you have to check your email after a few hours. If the problem is solved, Instagram support team will contact you. Don't forget to like, subscribe.